Hi everyone and welcome to this top tip where I am going to show you how to schedule a post in a team using Power Automate. So I'm sure scheduling a post feature is coming to Teams at some point this year. I've seen it mentioned somewhere, but there is a workaround just now using Power Automate. So if you can't remember how to get Power Automate, you're going to click the three dots down the bar at the side and it should come up here, Power Automate. If it doesn't, just search for it in the search bar there. So we're going to click Power Automate. Then you come in, you might have some automates already made up listed here. What you're going to do is you're going to click Add New Flow. Then we're going to say From Blank, create from blank, just on the right hand side. And then the first trigger that you're going to search for is recurrence. And it's this one that comes up here, recurrence, the schedule one. I'm going to click on that. I'm just going to click Show Advanced Options. So intervals and frequency. So how many weeks, for example, do you want it? I'm just going to put one. I just want it to do 1 week. And I just want to do it on a specific day. You can change it to monthly, weekly, days, and the hours, on the minutes, and the seconds. I'm just going to click 1 day. And then you're going to change the time zone just so you've got the time right. So I think it's under D, there we are, Dublin, Edinburgh, Lisbon, London. I'm going to click that there. And then in here, you are going to put the start time, so the date that you want this to start from. So the first date I want it on is today's date. So I'm going to put 2021 03 04. So that's when I want it to start. And the time I want it to start at is I'm going to schedule it to go out at 14:45, so I can show you how it works. Then I'm going to click, you can change it so you could schedule it to go out more than once that day, so you could put in different hours of the day. You could have it the same message to come out 4, 5, 6 times a day just to remind your children, and you put the hours and the minutes in there, but I'm just going to leave that blank because I want it to come out at 2:45 and that's the only time I want it to come out. So if it was a weekly schedule that you wanted to do every week and you'd had the frequency on week, then it'll give you also the option what days you want it to go out. So you might have it every day or just one day a week. So that's how you change that option there. But I just want it the 1 day. Said what day it is, it's today at 2:45, and that's all I need to do there. So I'm going to click next step now. So the next step that you can put in is you could put in if you want to mention specific people on the post. So you're going to type in get @mention, and it comes up there, get @mention token for a user. And if you want to tag specific people in it, you can do that there. But I'm not going to have that step. I just want it to go into the channel. So I'm just going to click new step, and I'm going to type in post a message. And it says post a message v3 preview. And I'm going to choose the team that I want it to go to. I've chosen my team there. And what channel you want it to go into. So I just want it to go into the general channel. And then you can type the message in there. This is a test. You've got your formatting options at the top here if you want to do some formatting on it, change the font, the size, etc. But I'm just going to leave all of that. You can put a subject message by clicking Show Advanced Options. I'm just going to put in test, and I am going to click Save. So it's telling me that I have got an error here. So what error have I made here? So let's check back up. Enter a valid date and time. So I know what I've done wrong here. So you need to have it the same format it shows you on the example. So I'm going to use a hyphen. That's the mistake I made. There we go. So hopefully when I click save now, it should be all good, and it is. So that has saved now. So I'm going to pause the video, wait a couple of minutes, and I will show you the message coming up in the team. So here I am in the team. I've set this to come through at 2:45, so it should come through any second now on the general channel. And there we go, there it has appeared, the message that I had set on Power Automate. So all you would need to do now, if it's something that you're going to use over and over again, what you could just simply do is you could just have it always set up. If it's going to be a different message that you want and you don't want the same message to repeat, you could simply just go back into the one you've already made. Click on the one you made, so that's the one I just made here. Go to edit, and you could change the time you want it to go out, the date you want it to go out, and you could change your message to a new message, or you could just make a new one up, fresh, whatever you prefer to do. If you want me to just share this with you, I can share it with you, or if you want to go ahead and make your own, then you can do that too. Hope this helps you just cut some time in your mornings if you want to schedule things maybe the night before or at the weekend for the week ahead.